That's not supposed to be like that. All right, guys. Trying some new things with the camera, so we'll see how that goes. Some new settings and stuff. Also, I got my chesty on because I don't have anyone here to film things, and dedicated to the craft. You know what I'm saying? So we got a busy day ahead. Actually, we got to take that off and beat that fender out. This right here, I'm probably not gonna mess with a whole lot. I might try to just bend the bottom some by hand. I'm not gonna take all that off. This piece right here, just gonna leave it for now. We've got like 2 races left this season, so I'm not overly concerned about that. We're gonna clean it, and then get it all ready for setup. Probably set up today and tomorrow. Looking over some different things. Also, we got to clean out the race wagon because I'm pretty sure it's still cram-packed full of stuff. I have not looked, but so yeah, the race wagon is full of things. Hopefully going to get some tires tomorrow. I got to check Macy's schedule and my own, but there's a guy that does have some tires for sale, so I may go see him. I should have mentioned it, but our trailer is not the ideal situation for this race car. It fits, but it's not great, and it's causing some sheet metal damage, which I kind of expected, but you know, it's not a huge deal to me right now. Just got to get to the racetrack. So causing some sheet metal damage, and as we were backing the car off the trailer, we blew a tire. We cut it, and that was that. So gonna hook you up to the chesty, and we are going to start getting some things done. Nathan's supposed to be here after a while. Macy will be home soon, and then we'll get everything going. Also, I did order a stick for this camera, so that's coming too. A wrench keeps popping up on this GoPro. Not sure what that means, so hopefully it's nothing terrible. I don't know. We'll just get started. Look at this, isn't this my luck? 7/16, I need one, and both of them out of this are gone. Ain't that awesome? 7/16, where are you at? Ah, I bet I know where you're at. Ah, wrong. Wrong. Got them both. How lucky is that? Gosh. Alright, 7/16 has been found. We're gonna take this apart out there. I feel like that's gonna be easier. So don't let anyone fool you. Cleaning a race car is the worst part about racing, but it's done. While we were cleaning it, we stumbled upon something that's gonna have to be fixed if we're gonna race this weekend. Stuff on the screen. That's not supposed to be like that. I guess whenever we looked at it before, we noticed it was not the best weld, and it had been done before. But we thought, man, maybe it'll last. It didn't. So now we're in a mad dash to find someone that can weld that up for us. I don't have a welder here at the house. So yeah, that's not the best news, but we're gonna get that fixed before the race weekend. We're gonna figure out some kind of way to take care of that. But I was sitting there thinking earlier, I was like, maybe I don't need to clean this car every week, but turns out you do, just because of you have no idea what little bits of things are gonna be broken or messed up. So that's probably a bigger deal than I think it is. I'm not sure what it's going to do to setup or handling or anything like that, because a lot of stuff does sit on that. But I think if we can get it back close and get it right, it'll be good enough for what I'm doing, learning and that kind of thing. So small boo-boo, but we're going to get that fixed. We're working on that now, getting everything lined up. But the car doesn't clean up that great, to be honest with you. I mean, I can always see dirt and stuff on it, but the body always does pretty decent. A little pile of dirt right there, but I always try to wipe it down too whenever I go inside. A spray cleaner, I can't think of what it's called. It doesn't matter, no free ads. But everything is cleaned up. I'm about to beat that sheet metal out, and then the car will be good enough to be put back together. Just got to figure out what we're going to do about that frame rail. She's home. I wore it while I was cleaning the car. There's nothing wrong with this. It's chesty.
Are you making that now?
Yeah.
Have you showed them what you look like?
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. Let's get the good stuff. So we traded race cars again, and now this is in the... I'm kidding. That's my wife's car. She decided to take advantage of the race car not being in the garage tonight and parked inside. So, race car, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's dark out here, is loaded up on the trailer. Yeah, it's pretty dark, so I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyways, race car's loaded up on the trailer. We'll have to end the video there because we're gonna try and get that frame rail fixed tomorrow. We're gonna take it to, it was honking. We're gonna take it to a place in town to have it welded back up and put back right, or I hope they can do it. If they can't, I'm gonna run it to Dad's and he's gonna try to take care of it. But I expected more out of this video, but you know, I guess we're posting every day, then that's pretty good. That might help the YouTube algorithms. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching me clean the race car, I guess, and beat sheet metal and do very minor things. As always, I love each and every single one of you. Please subscribe to the channel. It's somewhere down here. It will be at one point. And then there's another thing where you can watch another video. All that stuff helps us out. Please give us a big thumbs up and comment if you can. Bye.